That's pretty cool. That's a
Here we are. It's November 9th. We're just scouting some public land. Trying to find a spot for a rifle next week. Keep you guys updated. Mario and Nino out.
Welcome back to Music Outdoors. We just bumped a deer. I saw this fresh poop right here. We're only 10 yards from the scrapes.
We just jumped 2 more does and then found this bad boy.
There's definitely still out here to the left of us in the woods.
Public land spot number 2. River is that way. We're climbing down this ridge. Keep you updated. We saw a scrape earlier. Peace out. So, public land spot number 2. We climbed that hill over there. Nino jumped a good sized buck. So, this is the result. See you in a week. Someone behind us.
Give us a rundown.
We're going down to the public.
You know
Just
what?
gonna shoot ourselves a big old toad. It's plain and simple, guys. We're gonna get something today. One of us.
Good morning, it's November 15th. Me and Mara here set up on this public land spot that we scouted last week's Saturday. Yeah. This is where we jumped that big buck and those 2 does. So, it's been raining all for the past 2 days here, so we have to have our eyes peeled.
lost her. I lost him in there. I can't hear anything. My right ear's was mine. Let's go. Let's go. Hey. Hey. You don't want to fix me now. Public land, baby. I recorded him shooting an 8-point. He records me. Let's go. Okay, so to recap, I look to my right, I don't know, 80 yards, and I see a doe coming, and then she turns around, looks back, and we both saw something move, and she runs across, so then we couldn't see anything, and all of a sudden I see this 8-point pick his head up, and then it was pure chaos. He saw us, kind of like buzzed off back, and then he came back, and he stood there for like 5 minutes. Dude, my shoulder, I was shaking. You could tell it on the camera. I was shaking. Then he jumped. Did you see it? What? Did he kick? I couldn't tell. You suck. Did you shake a lot? No, I don't think I did. I don't know. But Anthony, we're coming for you.
What's going on, guys? Heading over to Anthony's buck right now. They just pulled up with it. Say hi, Gabe.
Hi, Nisik Outdoors.
Big deer. You guys didn't start recording. Anthony's buck.
I get that bag out of there.
Dude, that's fucking. That's awesome.
Man. That's nice.
That thing's huge, dude.
All right, let's we gotta help set it up for pictures.
Yeah, yeah.
Wait. What? Oh my god! Oh my god! Let's go! Dude, what just happened? What just happened? I told you I heard it.
No fucking way. No way. Let's go. Oh my god. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my god. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I thought I had a feeling. Let's go. Oh my god. Let's go. Dude, I knew it. I knew it. I had a feeling. I was like, dude, I need to walk over here. God just spoke to me. Dude, pick it up.
Dude, you shot it. You smoked it.
Oh, dude, I knew it for him. Let's go. Oh, dude, this footage is horrible. I just ran around for 10 minutes. Dude, it's like a small body, but it's...
Let's go, dude.
Let's go. Good shit. Let's go.
Just answer the FaceTime.
Let's go. I found it, dude.
Did I hit it? I hit it.
Dude, I told you it was a good shot.
I told you I heard it crash.
Dude,
It's right, like it's double
No,
long
the
there.
camera footage didn't do anything.
Okay, we gotta watch the slow mo on the camera on the laptop because it's probably way different.
Hold on 1 second.
Dude, what a nice buck.
Gonna shoot ourselves a big old toad. Big old toad.
I am.
Big old toad. Big old toad.
Good shit, dude. Let's go. Let's go.
Everyone just keep smiling, make sure your hats are on straight. Take this GoPro off. Hold on.
What are you doing?
Okay, on smile. And I'm gonna turn the buck, so just keep smiling. and just fucking dap each other up.
305.
Oh yeah, ready?
10:30.
Yeah, it's probably gonna sit till dark. 6 hours.
Shit, shot.
I think no, that
Well, I went through a Christmas tree that had water on it too, so I think.
Oh, the spray, that's right.
Just end this.
I was like,
Renzo said the pump on the back was the air coming out of the lungs.
That looks even better. When I approach, I'm like, me, yeah, my fucker's big.
Nice.
I heard it crash. I'm like, no, you didn't.
I heard it crash.
Dude, it was like flashbang. I was like,
Dude, there's a guy who
I heard
shot.
it crash. I was like,
I couldn't hear anything. So we're sitting there. I'm like, and there's something takes off in front of us. And, like there's a bunch of thick stuff. So we couldn't see it. We just saw movement. We're like, okay. And then like I don't know, 20 minutes later, I looked and I go, oh Mar, there's doe coming right here. And then all of a sudden we see like something move behind it, and the doe just takes off running right in front of us. So I'm like, there's something behind it, And then all of a sudden like, buck, big buck. And then, dude, it looked like, the way the angle was, it looked like a frickin' booted cross.
dude, I swear to God, in the camera, I was like,
60.
Mario was telling me,
I was like, shoot it.
it's full throttle. He's like, shoot it, it's a monster.
Is he down, Ted? Is he down?
No, all right, good morning, guys. It's November 15th, opening day here in Michigan. We ended up shooting this buck at about 8:25. Thought it was a bad shot for whatever reason, but it looked like I hit a branch in front of it, but I ended up putting it right through lungs and liver, so it died immediately. And then we ended up grid searching, and Mario found it probably 100 yards away from where I shot it. This is cousin Anthony here. He got this toad, and he's going to tell you what happened.
Hey, good morning, guys. Like I said, opening day here in Michigan. Buck came out really early. It was about 7:05. Took a couple shots at it and ran for about 60 yards, and then we ended up finding it. And then my first buck, 32 years old. God bless.
Woo!
I just fenced 100 yesterday.
November 15th, baby. Public land. There I was, hunting in the wild again.
And I feel right at home where I belong. I had that feeling coming over me again, just like it happened so many times before. Yeah. The spirit of the woods is like an old good friend. Makes me feel warm and good inside. And I knew his name, and it was good to see him again. 'Cause in the wind he's still alive. Oh, Fred Bear, walk